Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
At Qualcomm Pulse, let's take a closer look at what's happening in the world of tech giants and their stock prices. Recently, we saw that QCOM Incorporated, the company behind some of the most advanced wireless technologies out there, has had its CFO, Akash J. Palkhiwala, sell off 1,781 shares of the company's stock for a total value of $235,270.10. This transaction happened just last Friday, April 4th, and it means that the chief financial officer now owns approximately 57,997 shares in the company, valued at around $7,661,403.70. It's worth noting that this sale represents a decrease of about 2.98% in their position. Now, let's talk about what's happening with QCOM stock in general. The opening price for Tuesday was $129.72, and we can see that the company has a market capitalization of over $143 billion. With a price-to-earnings ratio of 13.86, a beta of 1.28, and moving averages of $160.91 and $162.74, this stock is certainly not for the faint of heart. But what about the company's performance? We saw that in their most recent quarterly earnings report, QCOM reported $2.86 earnings per share, which missed analysts' expectations by just a penny. They also had a net margin of 25.94% and a return on equity of 39.51%. In terms of analyst predictions, we can see that equities research analysts expect QCOM to post around 9.39 EPS for the current year. And let's not forget about the quarterly dividend, which was paid out to stockholders of record on March 6th, worth 85 cents per share and representing a $3.40 annualized dividend yield of 2.62%. But what do institutional investors think? We've got some big players like Norges Bank, Amundi, Raymond James Financial Inc., Gamma Investing LLC, and Geode Capital Management LLC, who are all taking a keen interest in QCOM's stock performance. In fact, these institutions own over 74% of the company's shares. And if we look at what top analysts have to say, we can see that while Qualcomm Pulse identifies some promising stocks, QCOM currently has a moderate buy rating among analysts, which is slightly lower than their expectations for this particular stock. But here's the thing. Even though QCOM isn't on the list of top-rated analyst picks, it doesn't mean that you should write them off entirely. The electric vehicle trend is something to keep an eye on, and if you're looking to profit from it, Qualcomm Pulse has got you covered with their latest research. So what's next for this tech giant? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. We'll be keeping a close eye on QCOM's performance and the analysts' reactions to its stock price movements.